Hello everyone and welcome to my channel RedShare. If you are looking to make a basic Discord server for your business promotion, so follow me on this channel. So I will explain you how you can make a basic server. As you can see, there is a room where all of the users can easily access and discuss about the details, and it is a moderation room where all the admin and moderation can discuss about the relevant issues and many other queries about the server and about the members. It is about the moderators of the server, and it is for the voice discussion for the members and moderations and administrators as well. This channel is for questions where moderation can discuss with admin and each other about the server related issues and about the user related issues. And in the side panel you can see that you will see the online members and the bots and the administrator who is looking this channel. This is a newly a basic created server for the business purpose and for the learning purpose, but we will take it to the advanced and enroll advanced feature in this server day by day. It is for the details about the server and the region details and the rules details, emoji detail. As I told you that it is a basic server and just newly created, so I didn't enroll many other and any other services in the server. It is about the member details, and it's the invites detail which I have created with the bots. I will also tell you how you can enroll the bots in the Discord server, in your newly created Discord server. This is for the membership screening, and the another option is a discovery, that how you can, where you can find your server and the other people will find this server. For the enrollment, it is the welcome screen. If a user join your server with the link, so it will automatically appear over the welcome screen and get the welcome text. It is a partner program, but it needs some subscriptions, so that's why we didn't enroll any partnership in this server. Like it still needs a two-way authentication. Here is all of the details and the options we will discuss later about the server in this series. And it's the bots and the users detail, the right side of the screen. It is the rule where you will explain all of the rules related to the server, and it is the guideline channel where you will mention the guidelines for your members and define the rule that nobody can edit this. And it is the mobile preview of this server. As you can see that it also have the same features. If you log in the mobile screen with the admin rights, it also have the basic you can also administrate all of the settings with the mobile of your server, but I prefer to set up your servers using the PC. All of the channels are displaying here, like the general discussion which I have created for the users, and the products detail, which is the purpose of this server for the promotion of my business. It is the setting of the server, like notification settings, and here is the details and all of the options of server related which you can set up using the mobile. If you want to join my this server, so you can join me using the link mentioned in the description, and follow me to learn how you can create this type of basic server. Thank you.